Do you think I can do it? And it's an unboxing. Oh. Oh. What did I get? Some chips, and so burger.
Yeah.
You missed out. And this is
Have you seen her?
I showed her your plants.
Oh, did you?
And a messy room.
Oh no.
I did not consent. Boundaries to me.
Lucy?
No, his carer.
Did you tell her that you slept there?
Yeah, I did.
So you're the messy one.
Oh, look at this.
I did not consent.
She's so nice. I talked to her a couple of times, but I was sick, had my hair everywhere.
Look at
I
this.
wasn't expecting to talk to her. And he's like, meet Michelle. This is Anita. I'm like, hi.
Hi, I can't talk.
But we had a good conversation. She's got 3 children.
Yeah.
And on Saturday, what she's going to do with
I don't
Timmy,
even know how to open this with
we're
one
going to
hand.
do painting